unlock a new level of coding productivity by seamlessly integrating Google's Gemini AI directly into your Visual Studio Code workspace. Our first step is to install the Gemini extension within Vscode. Launch your Vscode editor and navigate to the extensions view, which you can access via the square icon on the sidebar or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-X or CMD-Shift-X. Within the extensions view, locate the search bar at the top and enter Gemini among the search results. Identify and select the official Google Gemini extension. On the extension's dedicated page, you will find an Install button. Click this button to initiate the installation of the Gemini extension into your Vscode environment. Upon successful installation, you will typically observe a new icon or a dedicated panel integrated into your Vscode interface, signifying the presence of the Gemini extension. Now, let's put Gemini to work. You can select a block of code you are actively working on, or simply position your cursor in the location where you wish to engage with Gemini. Perform a right-click operation on your selected code, or within the editor area, a context menu should appear, offering options related to Gemini, such as Ask Gemini or Generate Code. Selecting one of these Gemini options will open its dedicated chat panel. This is where you can input your queries, articulate your requests, or provide instructions for Gemini to process. Gemini will then meticulously analyze your input and present its response directly within the chat panel, which could be a code suggestion, a detailed explanation, or a refactored code segment. When Gemini offers a code suggestion, you will usually find a convenient option to copy that code directly into your Vscode editor, thereby saving you significant time and effort. Continue this efficient, iterative process by posing follow-up questions or refining your requests to fully leverage Gemini's capabilities, all within the familiar Vscode interface, leading to a substantial increase in your development efficiency.